Okay, let's go again. Endlessfighter 2400 GM. Let's just try and hack him up, shall we? More Smith Gambit, why not? We've been playing that with reasonable success. Yep, it's playing that. Okay. Do I go in for a Roxy bind? I think so. I think that's why I'm getting a small advantage of any luck. Like G2. I'll play F3, Bishop G5, Queen D2. So Knight C5, Bishop C2. Knight E5. Yes. I don't mind losing that. Let's go Bishop, I think. Now I'll play B3. There's no Knight E4s at the moment, is there? Get a chance to play play Bishop D4 with Knight G4. Knight Bishop D2. I'll play A4. Stop B5.
You've been very good today.
Wait, A5.
Very good.
Oh, okay, what about taking a Knight D5? If I don't take, he's just got great position, I think. I'm going to have to do this. 2 knights versus 2 bishops. Am I getting outplayed? Probably. What about F4, F5? If he gives up light square bishop, he might be annoyed. Okay, he's not. He's giving up. The E4, still F4. F5 springs to mind. Okay, play F4. Is he really going to play F5? He's weak in E6. I don't want to give him too much play over there. Let's pawn. Can I just take over here? What's going on here? Knight H5, Knight F5.
That's almost like a full amount.
Do I need to bother about the queen side just yet? Bishop's pins, Bishop E4. AB Knight H5. Queen G4 here. Queen G4 might be good. I hope. So Knight H5. We seem to play so Knight F5, Rook F5. So Knight H5. Knight H5. What does he do with Knight H5? That's Queen E5. F6 there. Rook F6. Blocking. I'll play Knight H5. Rook F6 here. Something simpler. What about just Rook E1? Queen moves. There's no check. It's Queen G5. Rook F6, there's Queen G5. In fact, there's Queen E6, Knight G7. Knight takes G7. Queen E6. Okay. So Rook F6, maybe Queen G5. Queen E6. king moves. Oh, stop this B pawn. Right, H4 here. Now B2. Then rook E1. Could try H4. Takes rook F8. Takes Queen C8, King F7. I'll play H4. Ouch. It's blown it all away. It's nothing. Just winning. Trivial. That's a shame. Just lost a little trick. 96 to try and take. He's going to play A5, A4. That was queenside disaster. Resigns. Let's get another game in quickly. Total disaster. I'm starting to get bashed now on the ICC auto pairing. Seems so provoking. I should have just taken here. That would have been much better just to take that. Why did I give him this huge pawn on B3? It was just unnecessary. If I'd taken Ng2 G5, I think better than the game still. Maybe knight H5. Delicious position, it looked like. G5, knight H5. So maybe just check, I don't know, maybe black's better. So, I mean, this looked dangerous. So Queen D6 here. I could just maybe just take again, and then take on A4. Just be content with a small advantage, maybe, if there is a small advantage. So takes, and then I would have knight F5s. So I don't know. Shame. I've played this with some success recently, so why not? Actually, can I get in? No, I'll just castle. Why'd you C4 here? I'll just play this plan. A4, A5, B4, clamping down the counterplay a bit. A5. Bit of a bind on the queen side. I can play knight D2, rook E1, and get the knight over to G3. Knight H5, bishop E3, queen C1, take on H6. Deliver mate like that. So rook E1, knight F1, knight G3. I need to waste time with bishop B5. Queen B3. If we got knight to H5, he's always got bishop G6, G4, we can take. Okay. Rook A5 would stop A5, so I think I have to do that. Change the plan here. So knight F1, bishop E3, rook A1, maybe. I'll play bishop E3 and rook A1. Can I stop this losing streak? That's the important thing. This terrible losing streak. Oh, actually he's got knight d4 and queen E5 coming up. Knight d4 protects the queen though. So queen A5 I can just take. Okay, I'm hoping that that's okay for the moment. So knight d4, there's no queen A5 I hope. Just going to get in rook A1. Oh, what? Oh. No, bishop b4. Oh dear, oh dear.
She's eaten the chicken out of the kibble and left the kill, but I think you know she's probably having enough. She had the
God, that's terrible.
Four thigh, she's had a raw thigh. And I think she's probably eating
it's just, it's terrible. Bishop b4, I completely missed that.
Just
No, I don't know, rook c5.
she's eating all the big bits.
Disaster.
Eh? Well, I think she's probably having enough.
Shame. Okay. I don't know. Horrible, wasn't it? Horrible, horrible. Our position can disintegrate. Actually, I've got rook e1 here to try to defend bishop d3 though. We can take rook e1, knight g3. Oh, bishop h6. Okay. G4, that's good. Just get my king out, play king g2. King g2, I mean. That's queen e4. When I say look good, I mean, it looks actually terrible, but in the circumstances. Oh no, bishop h6. Oh, it doesn't do anything. Knight e1, this is the exchange. Bishop d4, oh, bishop d4. Oh, just left his queen and pre. Have I got a bit of luck finally? I think it's still a difficult position, still lost probably for me. I'm being too pessimistic here. Back king g2 and knight e3. King g2, knight g3. Pawn's going to be dangerous. Unpin. If I play over here to stop, delay things. Queen d1. Bishop e3 or bishop a1.
I did 20 black.
Queen a1. Queen a1. Knight d2. Bishop c3. 1 sec. Bishop c3. To get the rook off the useful files. Oh, I don't know. Knight e3, is that going to be useful? Two rooks and knights, but very good rooks. Supporting that very dangerous a pawn. Can I get the knight somewhere useful? Knight e3. F4, F5, try and get to the king. It's a bit desperate. But I can't see anything else. Let's try and break through here. I can get pawn to F6. Okay. Carry on the plan.